Welcome back, guys. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. A quick one on how to make your own ponytail. I already slicked my hair back and braided it up the previous day. So now that it's all dried up, I'm going to add my attachment, the ponytail, to it. So I'm using Darling Beyonce Goddess something. See how cute it is, guys. Okay, here we go. So what you do is you take the tip of your braid. If you do not have long hair, you can add extension to braid up your hair, and then at your desired length you cut it off. You take a bit of the hair, you tie it around the tip of your hair, and then you pin it to your hair. Now you keep wrapping the extension hair around your own hair till it gets to the top. Like, that's basically it. Just wrap it and keep going up till it gets to the tip of like the root of your ponytail. And then when you're at the end of your ponytail, the root, you take a bit of the hair and wrap it around so tightly that it even goes under, yes, to secure it in place. Okay, then you take a little more of the hair and some holding spray, and that one you gently wrap it around as you're spraying. The spray is to hold the hair in place, sort of a glue. Yeah, and then when you're done, you pin it up